Hi everyone! Hi friends, listen Priya this side, and today it's a really special video because you all might be knowing that tomorrow is our Manipur's Ningol Chakouba numat. Adudi khurumjari meyam, I listen Priya ne ado ngasi video je am special video ne hatare ko. Akoi Ningol meyam gi Ningol sing akoi imalibak ki leriba meyam gi. Moi khatang na te akoi family, all brothers and sisters. Loi ki hayeng je special numit ne Ningol Chakouba, only one day left. Hayeng ne ko. Adudo akoi gi hayeng numit che. Akoi Ningol sing akoi malibak Ningol sing na wana ngaiba numit tu ne hai tare ko. Adudi finally hayeng oire. Aduga akoi last year 2023 dadi akoi lan je phimam yam sokpani na yam nuai tabani na lan ki matam oibani na akoi Ningol Chakouba je celebrate tawdre last year. Adubu hanta ki chahi 2024 ki Ningol Chakouba dadi celebrate tawni have me am decision laure kaigino har kanda hanta ki lanje khara improve ho raha hai khara better ho raha hai adugi me am lo ye decision jam pai celebrate to gada bani akhoi ki nangai ba harao festival jida Ningol Chakouba jida tatra adudo aina juna aigi side tagi na kamaina ha tare aigi ibung singda ado sorry ma'am ngapiu ko aigi mitochondrium haita hai tare adudo aina ju aigi Ningol singda hai tare aigi best wishes from my side haningi phongtok ningi amokina pros and in addition to that I want to share my best wishes to all the Ningols in my Malibak Manipur natra pidradi kaino aigi side tagi to have a more lovely phosphorus kaman height aini yam nungsibiba akoigi bonding amokina oiba do akoigi brothers and sisters kida akoigi families ta akoigi Ningol singda. So that's my wish from my side. Amokina phaba future hai tare adugo next Ningol Chakouba na amokina phaba hantak ki Ningol Chakouba dagi chu hena akoigi lanju athu bidan loraga hantak ki hantak tagi ju better raktra khara phalatra adudagi jo amukena loi loisannaba aigi sategi jo honage meyam je punna lan loisanaba tojeko peace natro khoina pami je peace leitabagi natro khoina last year to celebrate tawtrido yam nuaite meyam jo loi khangane khoina loi same sad feeling jina khoina loi share tawnei je aduga aina sai palogi tawdu ibungi do aigi request ama khatang nei ko aigi akhoi gi ibung da aigi Ningol Chakouba gi sum aigi khudol ni jage aigi gift ni jage ki akhoi gi Ningol sing hajiki relief camp ta leiba myam because of the war akhoi gi hajik toiba violence che akhoi hajik lan toija adugi because of that akhoi gi myam relief ta phibam chadu bi da myam nei dana akhoi Ningol myam to adu aigi request che next year 2025 ta akhoi next Ningol Chakouba da Hajiki laiba Ningol meyam relief camp ta moigi masa gi yumda una lei naba harau leiraga aduga moigi yumda na harau na celebrate tawnaba akhoi Ningol Chakouba je oina tawnaba aigi ibung singna phangan biu ko si khatang aigi ibung singdagi khudol nei jage aigi satagi hoi pangthok naba kana hona je ko aduga in addition to that furthermore amokina special interesting part of the video finally aure eko saye handa climate change ne to bani na winter ki time la bane Ningol Chakouba haidi khare inga ka do natro adu climate change global warming and activism fight to ja tom sarga le re ko any which ways off topic na dudi I meyam the 5 questions khatang hangjage ko meyam na comment da hanba 5 people na to be the 5 questions that oi correct answer piraba aina hanta ki Ningol Chakouba da moi 5 ni khangkalakani comments tagi special 5 people adu lucky people na achumba correct 5 questions aina hangdi do moi ki answer do given below to the comment ta moi gift phangani only Ningol khatang na correct answer piba do moi khatang ni khandu je piba yaute adudi myam horage ko myam nakongje bajina open your ears adudi English sani ko myam namun na tabiyo natro adudi akhoi gi juju sida translator ma yauri video jida ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯂꯦꯇꯔꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ So let's start. First question. Name the country which I traveled to attend the first United Nations event and in which year?
mayam hazik Lisipriana haigibadu translate tawjrakpoina hairiba Lisipriana hazik question manga hangani hairiba question manga dada out of 5 to 5 correct answer pirakba Ningol adugi damakta Lisipriana Ningol Chakouba gi khudol oina gift oina yam special gift ama khak gi yumda address ta thajarakani haibani adana yan hana achumba pakum manga mak pibirakpa Ningol duda comment dagi khangat jaraga hairiba wahang hangadriba manga asigi pakum chumna pibirakpa miyoy manga mag khangat jaraga first 5 person Ningol especially the girls and who married women of Manipur who give the correct answer ko adu koina magi yum the special gift hamper haitara so special of a gift when yum that is hajakani man han ba hangiba question do amtaga repeat aro Lisipriya
Sure, why not? Name the country which I traveled to attend the first United Nations event and in which year?
Lisipriya na yan hana United Nation gi program saruk yakiba event adu kari karamba laiwaktano amadi karamba chahidano amukazu haijarke ma'am Lisipriya na yan hana United Nation gi program saruk yakiba event adu karamba laiwaktano amadi karamba chahidano
So let's move on to the next question. Second question I have to say. Which king started the first Ningol Chakouba celebration in the history of our Imalebag Manipur?
Manipur gi karamba ningtau hantak tage Ningol Chakouba hairiba Manipur gi khwaidi chawba amadi ningthijarba kumai asi pangthokpa hawkhibage amkazu haijage Manipur gi karamba ningtau hantak tage Manipur gi ningthijaraba amadi khwaidi chawba kumai hema oiriba Ningol Chakouba hairiba thaurmasi pangthokpa hawkhibage
Moving on. What is the next country that I will visit this month and what is the name of that event?
Lisipriya na mathang chakadaba laibak adugi maming karino amadi kari man saruk yagadriba program adugi maming na karino haibasi Lisipriya bu follow toina taw mina di status toina pa mina di khangduini ko Lisipriya follow taw mina di khangoi duini maruna followers sing bu thona happy bagi oina ju taw question yamna interesting kona loina di khudol piba ngamdrabani na khara kha khanja jaga special gift khara kone arrange taw jaga thamjare gitri yumda hangdo khangin khongbirani kari give na chawbara surprise orani adumana haji hangiba question namta repeat tawjarke Lisipriya na handak thada November da chakadawa laibak adu hadi mathang chakadawa laibak ki khongsa du kari karamba laibak no country no amadi program man saruk yagadoriba program adu maming na kari kobage haibani
How many total places are run by Ningol called Ningol Chakouba for the Ningols of Manipur this year?
mayam mana hangiba question du mari shuba question ni handak sahi si arambai Ningol la Ningol Chakouba ji tonga tonga Manipur mphong kya ta pangthoi adu punna mafong kya ta pangthokpage haibani Ningol sing gidamuta arambai Ningol na handak Manipur da relief camp da laiba amadi atoba momo pa laijadraba laidaba kya bu tonga tonga init kya da Ningol Chakouba gi thoromasi pangthok di hayeng hairiba du punna mafong kya ta pangthokpage haibani
Hoi, aduga last question. Yam important question ne ka. Yam namunna tabiu ka. Fifth question. What is the best gift do you expect from your brother in this year? Ningol Chakouba. Natra.
Aroiba manga suba question ase nahakna nahaki nabung dagi haita Ningol amo oina nahaki nabung dagi nataga napa dagi handaki Ningol Chakouba gi nahana khadagi ningjaba khanjaba khudol nang apamba du kari no haibani amko ju hanjarake handaki Ningol Chakouba asida Ningol amo oina nahaki naupa nataga nabung dagi nahana khadagi pamjaba khanjaba pihaningba khudol gift to Ningol Chakouba gi kari no haibani
Ma'am, for this question, last and final fifth question, you have to give a deep thought into this. Yam namunna khanbi mama de kartai.
Hairiba pakum singsi only one line the PBU only point the PBU yamna cham cham araiba question ngatani khara khangma mina di dum hadi loina araiba hangaga di amuksu kaya tare mayam su makadawani na khatang खतंग हाइतारे कोई अरामबाई importance सु कोई in the life and culture of the people of Manipur the people ngamna arambai question ju habsabani because arambai play a very crucial role in the modern time haitare has the present time crisis of Manipur adu arambai gi interest question ju habsabani arambai we hena mayam khangba hena bai tawri ba thabu singsi singtha ba hena ba moin tawri appreciate thongna ba encourage thongna ba question to habsabani araga lisi ba man du kitang background du khangna ba gi dam question arambai question du habsabani amadi hunzo question du habsabani aduga Ningol Chakouba history ju khara khangna ba mayam da tam chona kari gi pangthokuna kamain pangthokhi bano kana maning thogi hatak ti gi haiba wahang na chingba hangi ba du mayam da hena khoi history ju khangong da bidam da yamna overall adam test tawraga haitare subsalaga hangmani do question pakum chuna piru bi manga du yamna special ba gift disipya ge site gi Ningol Chakouba handa ke yar gi na yumda kana surprise na thajar kani adu hai do comment da pibira kadawni answer pakum pibira ko matam da ko wahang khudima ki question number 1 2 3 4 5 hana video je hana na sakla ying view amana 1 2 3 4 5 hana adung deadline na ngasi numi gi pung 12 phawa ko amana thank you so much
and for English sa har
yare
adudi hoi myam comment la na yeng na ba ai kan na ngari myam na have you correct answers
first five
mi na har ko dun ai nag pjj adugi surprise ne myam excited oi bro the version mi do ko kamal to ngasi video je adudi ya and yeah happy Ningol Chakouba myam bye bye